welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Guys, we're back with another video today. Right now I am filming on my G7X Mark II. I had this camera for over about 6 years now. That's how long I've been doing YouTube, but I find myself being more consistent now on YouTube. So I decided to invest in a new camera, which is the DJI Omega Creator Combo, which I want to do a little unboxing for you guys today. I'm at a point in my life to where I'm really ready to take YouTube serious, and I don't realize like YouTube is a business. Just like say you have a hair company and you want to sell hair. That's a business. You have to find a wholesale vendor, you have to get packaging, you have to get a shipping label, you have to do a logo. I watch so many YouTubers like just on YouTube saying be consistent, being consistent, but it's not only about consistency, it's about discipline. Having discipline, trying to be a content creator is the only way it's going to work, because being consistency, and I realized about YouTube, you have to keep posting. Sometimes it takes forever for certain videos to get blown up. Like I had a video to where I'm like, oh, this video is not gonna get no views, and it became one of the most popular videos on my channel. So I'm at the point to where I'm taking my content more seriously. I want to switch to the DJI to see what's the difference between the G7X, and I'm hoping it will make me want to vlog a lot more when I'm outside and seeing. So let's go ahead and switch. Alright guys, I hope I am filming right. This is on my DJI Osmo Pocket camera. I did get the Creator Combo. Guys, how do you like this 4K 30? I think I love it. It does move when I move. I think it's a good quality as far as a vlog camera. I may be converting more to the DJI Osmo just because it's small and I could just carry it around. I honestly truly do like this camera. So far so good. I do want to play with a couple features on this camera, and I want to see how it looks all at the end. Alright guys, so I have on the facing track, and I think it's so cool. So now when I'm by myself, I can get that good quality content to where you don't need anybody. I can go left, I can go right, I can go up, I can go down, and it literally tracks everywhere I'm going. And this is one of my favorite features so far that I've learned how to use on the DJI Osmo Pocket. I would recommend getting this camera. It looks like it's great quality. My G7X, I've had it for about 6 years. I think I spent like $700 during the Best Buy. I don't know the pricing now. I think it went up in price. But this is a lot heavier, and the Osmo is a lot easier to carry around. So I definitely want to get this use out of this camera. My journey on YouTube has been a very long journey. I can say I've been doing YouTube for 6 years. At one point I was monetized, and I've gotten to the point to where I have to get re-monetized all over again, which could be a bummer for some people, and some people be like, you know what, I give up. But I genuinely love YouTube, and I just love connecting with people. And I'm literally watching people every day get on social media, and this is their only form of income. So if it's something that I love, why wouldn't I make this my form of income? Why won't I make this my full-time job? Because this is something that I love to do. Just like you're disciplined in the gym, you have to be disciplined when it comes to social media. I feel like consistency is the key. I know a lot of people say consistency is the key, but it really is the key. And if you're having a hard time doing it, I would say batch content. Like these short form content I have, my fashion content, I put on like 5, 6 outfits in one day, switch up the shirts, switch up the outfits, and that's how I batch my YouTube shorts. I do not wake up every day, put on makeup a little bit, and change clothes. It's just no way, and I'm just not doing that. It's just too much. So what I do, I like to batch content, and I know I've been needing to put out this video. I'm trying to be more consistent. I think I've been doing a good job with being consistent, and I just really want to invest in my career. Like, the only way things are going to change is if you change. So I'm putting my best foot forward and deciding to change and deciding on what I really want to do with my life. And YouTube is it. I don't think people talk enough about how social media can really change someone's life. Like, you can go from working a 9 to 5 or working a fast food restaurant to becoming a full-time creator, moving to your dream city, and absolutely changing your life. And nobody talks enough about that. I know people say be consistent, but it's also about being disciplined. Just like you have to be disciplined in the gym, you have to be consistent on social media and disciplined because you want this hard enough. You want to work hard enough to keep this going for yourself. And nothing is better than working for yourself. Nobody wants to wake up and work for somebody. Trust me, I don't. I used to work in customer service and I absolutely hated it. First of all, I'm just like, who do you think you're talking to? Just because I have this job doesn't give you the right to talk to me any kind of way. Like, I am a human being at the end of the day, and you shouldn't disrespect me or talk to me any kind of way. So that really pushed me to want to continue my YouTube because I just don't want to deal with people being disrespectful. I don't want to deal with people in a work area that are mean and rude that you have to deal with, having to wake up, your back hurting, you're irritated, you're waking up on the wrong side of the bed because you have to go to work, you have to deal with rude people. And I was just like, I'm at the point to where I'm like, no, it's not going to happen. I'm going to focus on my YouTube. I'm going to grow this as a business. I am the business. I am going to brand myself. Even if I was to have a YouTube channel and I decided that I wanted to start selling hair or lashes or shirts, that's two businesses. I'm getting paid from YouTube and I'm also getting paid from my business. That's two sources of income. What? I don't think people understand how much money it is on social media. Even creating an ebook. I have 2 ebooks that I've created that I made profit off of. Even though I'm not getting paid from YouTube right now, I still have people watching my old videos, buying my ebooks. So I'm getting some form of revenue from social media. Either way, it is a benefit to your life and nobody really talks about it. And I'm just like, wow, I may not be getting paid from YouTube, but I am making a little something. It's not much, but I can go buy a meal, you know? So it's just like, it's a blessing, and I don't think people realize that. And with AI is very, very helpful, and ChatGPT is very helpful. It could help you with your description box. It can help you with your title. It can help you with a lot of tags that you use for your YouTube channel. And I am just beyond grateful. I'm going to continue on this YouTube journey. I do plan on getting monetized soon, and I am going to put my best foot forward. So I'm going to keep going, and I'm not going to stop. I do want to talk about this DJI Osmo Pocket camera. One thing I can say, it is easy to turn on and off. Once you watch like the beginner videos that they offer in the app, you would definitely learn how to work this camera. It is a cool feature that I do want to try, which is the 90 and the 180 to where the camera can turn all the way around. I am using 4K 30. I did look at a lot of TikToks to see what settings people are using, and I'm hoping that these are good settings for my camera. If not, I will be end up changing it. But honestly, I think I love it. I think I love the way it looks. It's so easy, and you can also film reels, TikToks, And the only thing I have to say about this camera that is or could be a little annoying is the SIM card. Putting in the SIM card was a lot of work for me. I had to use a knife to put in the SIM card because I just couldn't do it. Like, I'm like, why isn't this going in? I did buy my SIM card from Target, so I was like, why isn't this working? But it does work. I can say this is an amazing camera. As you guys see, I'm turning left and I'm turning right, and it just follows me everywhere I go. And I'm just so excited for my content, and I'm so excited for the future of me carrying this everywhere to flip it out without being noticed or people like, oh, she's vlogging, she's doing this, she's using, like, what camera is that? Like, you won't, it's very discreet, and I love discreet. So I will say this is an investment. You don't have to hold this up. Of course, I'm holding it up, and I can just put it right here. But, you know, right now I'm just going to carry it and see. But I honestly like it. I do enjoy this. You can buy other features on Amazon. But I have to say, I did get it from the DJI website. And you guys, I love it so much. All right, guys. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye, guys.